Discover the top-rated cordless electric mops for effortless cleaning. Our comprehensive guide showcases the best options available, offering convenience and efficiency in every swipe. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free mopping with these innovative devices. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless electric mops you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Ogori Cordless Electric Spin Mop, ranked as the 5th best cordless electric mop. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this innovative mop revolutionizes the way you clean your floors. Say goodbye to bending over with its cordless and lightweight design, enabling you to effortlessly mop with just one hand. Featuring a 90-degree swivel handle, this mop ensures you reach every nook and cranny without the hassle of tripping over cords or bending down. Its adjustable handle extends from 29 to 46 inches, catering to various cleaning needs without strain. Equipped with a low-noise motor, the Ogori Cordless Electric Spin Mop not only cleans but also polishes floors, leaving them with a gleaming finish. Its high-speed dual rotation technology removes dust and stains with ease, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Priced at a reasonable $65, the Ogori Cordless Electric Spin Mop offers unbeatable value for a cleaner, healthier living space. Meet the Eus Electric Mop, ranked as the number 4 best cordless electric mop for its exceptional features and performance. Engineered for efficiency, this electric mop boasts a dual motor system that delivers robust cleaning power at 250 revolutions per minute. With a rechargeable 2550 mAh battery, enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions for up to 60 minutes on a single charge, eliminating the need for frequent breaks. Plus, operating at a quiet less than 50 dB, it ensures a peaceful cleaning experience without disturbing your household. Equipped with a 10-ounce water tank and a convenient water sprayer, this mop accommodates various floor cleaning solutions for enhanced performance. The built-in LED lights illuminate dark corners, aiding in thorough stain removal. Its adjustable tube and self-propelled design provide unparalleled maneuverability, allowing effortless cleaning without the need to bend or move furniture. Suitable for a wide range of floor surfaces including hardwood, tile, laminate, and marble, this versatile mop makes cleaning tasks a breeze in the kitchen, living room, and beyond. Priced competitively at $159. Discover the Vmai Cordless Electric Mop, ranked as the 3rd best cordless electric mop. This innovative cleaning solution combines power, convenience, and versatility. Powered by dual motors spinning at an impressive 280 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly tackles stubborn stains and dirt on various home and kitchen floors. Its unique design automatically propels the mop head forward, making cleaning a breeze. Unlike its competitors, the Vmai cordless mop boasts a detachable 2550 mAh battery, delivering an extended runtime of 40 to 60 minutes after just 2.5 to 3 hours of fast charging, covering up to 2150 square feet area. With a lightweight build of less than 3 pounds and an ergonomic handle, this hands-free mop allows for easy maneuverability around the house and hassle-free transportation between floors. Its flexible and adjustable design, along with an LED headlight, ensures thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas. Whether it's vinyl, tile, hardwood, or laminate floors, the Vmai Cordless Electric Mop delivers superior cleaning performance. Priced at $139, it's an affordable investment for effortless and efficient floor cleaning. Introducing the AlfaBot WS24 Cordless Electric Mop, hailed as the number 2 best cordless electric mop, revolutionizing home cleaning with its innovative features. Featuring a double spin head, this cordless mop boasts dual motors spinning at 150 revolutions per minute, effortlessly tackling stubborn stains and dirt on various floor surfaces. Its cordless design, powered by a 2000 mAh 30-watt lithium rechargeable battery, offers up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, covering a vast 2,000 square feet area on a single charge. Equipped with a 6-ounce water tank for easy floor sprinkling and wet cleaning, the AlfaBot WS24 also comes with LED headlights for enhanced visibility in dimly lit areas, ensuring thorough cleaning even in the darkest corners. With adjustable height and angle settings, users can personalize the mop to their comfort, eliminating bending and backaches. Its lightweight build and autonomous movement make it suitable for users of all ages, including children, the elderly, and pregnant women. Priced at an affordable $69, the AlfaBot WS24 cordless electric mop offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency in home cleaning. Say hello to the Bissell lightweight SpinWave expert, hailed as the #1 choice for cordless electric mops. Say goodbye to tedious floor scrubbing sessions on your hands and knees. The Bissell SpinWave hard floor expert takes the hassle out of cleaning with its powered spinning mop pads that effectively and safely tackle various hard floor surfaces. From tiles to sealed wood, laminate, linoleum, and more, this expert cleaner delivers a thorough cleaning without the need for excessive effort. Its on-demand spray control lets you customize the solution application, while the lightweight design and swivel steering ensure easy maneuverability, reaching even the trickiest spots beneath furniture and along baseboards. Engineered for minimal noise, it provides a powerful clean without the disruptive racket. The package includes 2 scrubby mop pads for stubborn messes, 4 soft-touch mop pads for regular cleaning, and trial-size bottles of hard floor sanitized formula and wood floor formulas for a refreshing scent. Additionally, each purchase contributes to supporting homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation, priced at just $79. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.